Ever wondered what the difference between a data engineer and a data scientist is? In this vast, data-driven world, these two roles hold immense significance. They are the unsung heroes of our information age, yet there is often confusion between them. Is one merely the alter ego of the other, or do they each have their own unique superpowers in the realm of data? It's time to unravel this mystery. To understand these roles better, we'll delve deeper and explore their differences. Imagine a detective, but instead of solving crimes, they're solving business problems using data. This, dear friends, is the exciting world of a data scientist, a profession that combines the thrill of discovery with the power of knowledge. As data scientists, they play a crucial role in shaping the future of businesses. They delve into a sea of data, inspecting, questioning, and wrangling it to reveal hidden patterns and trends. They are like gold miners, sifting through the dirt to uncover valuable nuggets of information. But their work goes beyond mere data analysis. They create predictive models, forecasting the future with astonishing accuracy. And most importantly, they have the rare ability to weave complex data findings into simple, compelling stories. They translate the language of numbers into the language of business, providing insights that can guide decision-making. In essence, a data scientist is a storyteller who uses data to narrate a tale. Now think of an architect, but instead of designing buildings, they're designing data infrastructure. Enter the realm of the data engineer, the unsung hero of the data world. These skilled professionals are the masterminds behind the scenes, meticulously designing, building, and maintaining the infrastructure that houses vast amounts of data. Imagine this, a cityscape of data, where each building represents a dataset and each road is a data pipeline. The data engineer is the city planner, ensuring that everything is interconnected, accessible, and secure. Their toolbox? A host of technical skills. They're adept at handling big data technologies, databases, and programming languages. They lay down the tracks for data to flow smoothly and securely from source to destination, enabling data scientists to perform their analysis unimpeded. In this vast data city, they're the builders, the architects, creating robust foundations and intricate pathways for data analysis. In essence, a data engineer is a builder who constructs the foundation for data analysis. So, how do these roles differ, you may ask? Well, let's delve into the nuances, shall we? While both a data scientist and a data engineer work with data, they approach it from different perspectives. Think of a data scientist as a detective of sorts, a Sherlock Holmes in the world of data. Their job involves sifting through vast amounts of data, seeking patterns, anomalies, and correlations. They're the ones who transform raw data into meaningful insights, using their understanding of statistics, machine learning, and predictive modeling. They're the ones who ask the right questions to derive valuable answers from the data. On the other hand, a data engineer is more like an architect, the Gustav Eiffel of data, if you will. They are the ones who lay the groundwork for data analysis by ensuring smooth data collection, storage, and processing. They design, build, and maintain the data architecture, databases, and processing systems. They handle the technical aspect of data, making it accessible and usable for data scientists. In essence, data scientists are the brains that interpret and understand the data, while data engineers are the backbone that supports and structures the data infrastructure. It's a symbiotic relationship, each role complementing the other, ensuring the smooth flow of information and insights from data. While both roles are crucial, they have distinct responsibilities and require different skill sets. So now, can you differentiate between a data scientist and a data engineer? In the grand tapestry of data, these two roles, while distinct, are integral to the overall picture. Picture a data scientist as a detective, delving into the depths of data, seeking patterns, insights, and narratives. They are the storytellers, weaving intricate tales from the raw numerical threads. On the other hand, a data engineer is the architect, constructing the infrastructure that houses and organizes these massive amounts of data. They are the builders, providing the solid foundation from which the data scientist can embark on their investigative journey. Both roles are pivotal in the data-driven world. While their tasks may diverge, their end goal is the same: to extract value from data, turning it into a tool that can drive decision-making and innovation. Remember, in the world of data, Both the storyteller and the builder are equally important. They just play different roles in the same play.